Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by measuring precise ingredients. Combine 250 g all-purpose flour, 30 g sugar, 6 g salt, and 5 g instant yeast in a mixing bowl for an even base. Add 150 ml cold water and 60 ml cold milk, then fold gently until a shaggy dough forms. Avoid over-kneading so the gluten remains relaxed. For the butter block, use 250 g cold unsalted butter, beaten or rolled into a 15 by 12 cm rectangle to ensure consistent lamination when you enclose it in the dough. Place the butter block on the rolled dough, fold the dough over to fully enclose the butter, then roll to a 25 by 18 cm rectangle. Maintain even pressure and short rolling strokes. Perform 3 single turns. Fold the dough into thirds, rotate 90 degrees, roll again, and repeat. Chill the dough 30 minutes in the fridge between each fold to keep the butter firm and layers distinct. After the final fold, let the dough rest cold for 1 hour, before rolling for shaping to relax gluten and solidify layers. Roll the rested dough to about 3.5 mm thickness and cut triangles roughly 12 cm tall for classic croissant shapes. Score the base, gently stretch, and roll toward the tip to form tight spirals. Proof-shaped croissants in a warm place at 24-26 degrees C until they expand to about 1.5 times their size, typically 90-120 minutes, avoiding overproof which flattens layers. Brush with egg wash and bake on a preheated tray at 200 degrees C for 12-15 minutes until deep.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.